Hello students, a strategy is the comprehensive plan for comprising an organization objective taking business environment into considerations. This comprehensive plan will include three sides. This comprehensive plan determining long-term objective. This comprehensive plan determining long-term objective. Second, adopting the particular course of action. A strategy is the part of strategy planning or management. It is the general plan proper by the top management, outlining resources, allocation, and take into the consider action, the business environment and competitions. Policy is the general guidelines. Policy, what is policy? Policy is the general guidelines that guides thinking or generalized to order a particular directions. It brings uniformity in decision making and action. Interpretation of strategy. For examples, the admission policy of an educational institutions, recruitment policy, pricing policy, or purchase policy of a company within the which objects are set and decisions are made. Policies are general forms of standing plans. That particular the organization's response to the certain situation, like the admission policy of the educational institutions. The admission policy of an educational institutions, recruitment policy, pricing policy, or purchase policy of the company within the which objects are set and decisions are made. Okay students, policy are general,